Hello, and welcome to another episode of Advanced Ears, the show for English learners who are ready to challenge themselves with complex ideas and advanced vocabulary. I'm Mark, and today's topic is something that affects all of us. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone simply curious about the world, we're talking about the future of work, especially the impact of artificial intelligence, automation, and human creativity. Let's begin with a basic question. What will jobs look like in the future? For centuries, technology has transformed the way humans work. The printing press replaced scribes, factories replaced handcraft production, and computers replaced many types of clerical work. Each time, people worried about losing jobs, but new jobs were also created. Now, with AI and automation, the speed and scale of change are even greater. Machines can not only do physical labor, but also analyze data, translate languages, generate images, and even write code. So, should we be worried or excited? Automation means using machines or software to perform tasks without human input. This has been happening for decades in industries like car manufacturing or agriculture. But AI, otherwise known as artificial intelligence, is more than just machines doing repetitive work. It's machines that can learn, adapt, and make decisions. For example, self driving cars, chatbots, and medical diagnosis systems. The key vocabulary for this is disruption. Disruption is a sudden change that forces industries to adapt. Redundant. This means no longer needed or unnecessary. And augmentation. This is when technology enhances human ability instead of replacing it. Okay, here's the big question. If machines can do more and more, what is left for humans? The answer may lie in creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. AI can generate music, art, and even literature, but human creativity is not just about producing something. It's about connecting ideas, expressing emotion, and solving problems in a unique way. For example, a machine might compose a song, but can it truly capture the human experience of heartbreak or joy? Probably not. Many experts believe that the future workplace will require a balance. Machines handling repetitive or data driven tasks, while humans focus on innovation, leadership, and human to human interaction. Let's reflect for a moment. Here are some questions for you. Do you think AI will take more jobs than it creates? How about this one? What skills should students learn now to prepare for the future of work? And also, lastly, do you believe machines can ever be truly creative? Or is creativity a uniquely human trait? Okay, so before we wrap this up, let's summarize today's key points. Number one, AI and automation are rapidly changing industries around the world. Number two, some jobs will disappear, but new roles will emerge, especially in technology, problem solving, and creative industries. And lastly, human creativity, empathy, and adaptability will likely remain at the center of future work. So, the challenge for us as learners and professionals is to embrace technology, while also strengthening the skills that make us uniquely human. That's all for today's episode of Advanced Ears. I hope this discussion gave you both new vocabulary and new ideas to think about. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend who's also passionate about learning English and understanding the world. And also, check out mksenglish.com. There's a wealth of information there. Thanks for listening, and remember, the future of work is not just about machines. It's about what we do with them.